The news these days is like drama on the screen and reporters chasing over a Bollywood celebrity's car. You know what I'm talking about, right? Well, not for us. We are here to give you news with a difference. So here's your weekly dose of positive, wholesome, non-negative, not-profit, legitimate headlines. Well, you get the point. Mumbai and its sole surviving green lung is a gift that keeps on giving. A few weeks ago, we had told you that the Maharashtra government has declared that 600 acres of land in RA will be reserved as a forest. So, as a piece of good news for all the environmentalists out there, the state's forest department has not only decided to add 200 acres of land more, as much as the CM had sought, but also link the entire land to the neighbouring Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Over the years, the national park has been shrinking down slowly due to encroachment and a lot of infrastructure plans. But this means that our national park is set to grow. I know whenever you all heard COVID, you all would brace yourself for the rise in deaths and cases, but all is not bleak. For the first time since the coronavirus pandemic has broken out, India's R value, which is the key parameter to measure the spread of the infection, has dipped to 0.93 from a 1.08 last week. The R value basically represents the number of people one person can infect. The epidemiologists have been waiting for the number to drop below 1 because that means that the number of recoveries will outnumber the number of new cases. So here you go, some data that is positive the right way. Whenever you think of Kolkata, you think of it as a cultural hub and, of course, trams. Staying true to its reputation, the city has managed to fuse the two and create a tram library that will run across the city's iconic location. The tram library is being introduced by the Transport Corporation that oversees India's functional tramways. It is a special tram with books and magazines which you can read while travelling on the tram. Which books would you like to see in it? Let me know. So here's a couple of news that offer something to all women to be proud of when it comes to their representation. So everyone knows that NASA said last year that it aims to land a woman on moon in 4 years and have now announced a whopping $28 billion to return back to the lunar surface. And close to home, an Indian woman is leading the charge as well. We have heard enough about the Rafale aircrafts, but did you know that Lieutenant Shivangi Singh will be the first woman fighter pilot to be flying the Rafale aircraft? We can always bank on Kerala to deliver good news to us amidst all the gloom. Last week, it received an award from the UN for its outstanding contribution for the prevention and controlling of non-communicable diseases. The award recognizes the achievements in 2019 on a variety of fronts. For example, the prevention and control of non-communicable diseases, mental health, and the wider development of sustainable goals related to it. This is the first time that Kerala has been recognized for an annual award, and at a time where good public health is really important, all Indians should be really proud of it. Well, that's it for this week, folks. If you know of any other positive headlines that you think we've missed out on, please put them in the comment section below. Also, do share this with as many people as possible because everybody could do with a little positivity right now. I know it's called Unlock, but try and stay in as much as possible and watch out for another episode of Good News with Binge Daily every Monday. Ashna out!
Thanks for watching Binge Daily. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.